The whole idea of the notification hub is to simplify the process of pushing notifications to modern mobile applications, right? So I've got, my application here, maybe it's a web app, okay, and I have different platform notification services running. All right, maybe this is my Windows notification services, maybe this is my Apple notification services, and I've got the notification hub in between. So all my application needs to do is communicate with the notification hub, which will then push those notifications out to the different notification services, the platform notification services. Great, end of story. Not quite. The problem is that these different platforms require different data formats. Okay, so for example, the Windows notification service, that's expecting an XML formatted message. Okay, the Apple service, that's expecting a JSON formatted message. Okay, so that can be a problem, right? Because what I don't want to have to do is I don't want to have to go up here and differentiate the type of message, because that becomes almost useless. On the other hand, what I also don't want to do, and you could have a system that does this, I could have a very restricted system that outlines a set of, okay, here's what you can do, right? And this is what's going to be cross-platform. Instead, what we have with the notification hub is we have the concept of templates. And really, a template is just a translation file. It's going to be a definition of a translation process. It's a markup file. Okay? And this way, anytime a message is sent and the message is going to be platform independent, it will be processed through the appropriate template. And you can define the templates and tell the notification hub what templates to use with what platform notification system. So that is a very powerful concept. Now there's another concept here, and I'm kind of putting them together, right? And it's a related concept. It's a simplicity concept. Okay? I've mentioned before, when you have notifications, there's three types of notifications. There's unicast, there's multicast, and there's broadcast. And multicast and broadcast are actually pretty much a similar thing with a filter in one case, right? So unicast means I'm going to go to a specific platform notification server handle and send a message to that handle. Okay? A multicast means I'm going to send to a subset of the available handles that I can send to. And then you've got the broadcast, which is just sending to everybody. Okay, well, a multicast is really just a broadcast with a filter. And the primary way that you filter is through tags. And tags are just information, they're tag information that you associate with a PSN handle. Okay, so I've got a user, let's say that I've got a, we'll mention image management system, right? And I've got somebody who's interested in soccer, or for those of you not in the US, football related images. All right, and so what we want to do is send a notification anytime we get a cool new image of somebody, saving a goal. I used to, be a defender, so that's what I think about. Anyways, whatever, I digress. The point is, we've got people that might be interested in a particular sport, and we want to be able to notify them anything that happens along that sport. And that's what tags do. All right, you can set up, it's very easy to set up. I can set up and associate tags within the notification hub, right? And so that way, when I'm sending a notification, I can specify specific tags that I want that notification to go to. And there's actually a query, very simplified query language. It's really just a and an or and a not kind of language. And you can look that up. We're not going to go into details on it. But it makes it very easy to multicast, to select a subset of the mobile devices that you want to send a message to, a notification to. All right, and so that's really both of these. I put these together, even though they're different things. They're all about making it much easier for you to define a notification infrastructure, because a notification infrastructure is a vital part of many mobile applications. I know this because I get more notifications on my mobile device than I can count on a daily basis.